A pharmacist is a healthcare professional who is knowledgeable about preparation, mechanism of action, clinical usage and legislation of medications in order to dispense them safely to the public and to provide consultancy services. A pharmacist also often serves as a primary care provider in the community and offers services such as health screenings and immunization. Pharmacy is the science and practice of discovering, producing, preparing, dispensing, reviewing, and monitoring medications, aiming to ensure the safe, effective, and affordable use of medicines. It can therefore be referred to as the professional business of a pharmacist. It can therefore be said that pharmacy business is the professional business of a pharmacist. There are 5 major types of pharmacy one can establish in Nigeria. The first is retail pharmacy. The retail pharmacy is usually called chemist and it's the most common type of pharmacy. A retail pharmacy caters to the general public by dispensing medications prescribed by doctors. Medications in retail pharmacies are sold directly to the end users. The second type of pharmacy is the hospital pharmacy. This type of pharmacy can be owned by either the government or privately and are usually found within the premises of a hospital. This type of pharmacies are usually stocked with more specialized medications and provide medications for only hospitalized patients. The third type of pharmacy is community pharmacy. In this type of pharmacy, medications are supplied and sold with or without prescriptions. A common activity peculiar to this type of pharmacy is offering counseling services at the time of dispensing drugs to patients and engaging in health promotion programs. The fourth type of pharmacy is wholesale pharmacy. This type of pharmacy sells medications in bulk to other pharmacies, hospitals, and clinics who then sell to others who will then administer it to the patients. The last type of pharmacies is the manufacturing pharmacy. As the name suggests, these pharmacies manufacture and distribute pharmaceutical products to interested firms and persons. The Pharmacist Council of Nigeria (PCN) is the primary agency that regulates the registration and licensing of a pharmacy in Nigeria as well as the licensing of pharmacists. In registering a pharmacy in Nigeria, the first step is to apply for a registration with the Corporate Affairs Commission (CAC). For a successful registration of a pharmacy under CAC, a minimum of 2 proposed names is required for reservation. A minimum of 1 member of the company to serve as director or shareholder. Cases where the owner is not a licensed pharmacist must be a director of the company. Qualifying certificates, a valid government identification card of directors and shareholders. For a valid identification card, the CAC accepts PVC, National Identity Card, International Passport, and Driver's License. Another requirement is the signature of the directors and shareholders of the proposed pharmacy. Finally, CAC requires the contact details of the directors and shareholders. After a successful registration with the CAC, the next step is registration and licensing with the Pharmacist Council of Nigeria (PCN). There are various requirements for different types of pharmacy. Generally, an application letter to register